YouTube decided to do a song from last year's and Hammerstein Cinderella. This one is called 10 Minutes Ago. 10 minutes ago I saw you. I looked up when you came through the door. My head started reeling. You gave me the feeling, the room and no ceiling of more. 10 minutes ago I met you, and we murmured, oh, how do you do? I wanted to ring out the bells and to fling out my arms and to sing out the news. I have found her, she's an angel, with the dust of the stars in her eyes. We are dancing, we are flying, she's taking me back to the skies. In the arms of my love I am flying, over mountain and meadow and land. I like it so well that for all I can tell I may never come down again. I may never come down to the end again. That's extra time, so I guess I'll do another song from Hammerstein Cinderella. Mine is just most of the songs are duets. I'm kind of just doing different pieces of them, but I'll do one more. This one is Sweetest Sounds. The sweetest sounds I'll ever hear are still inside my head. The kindest words I'll ever knew are waiting to be said. The most enchanting sound is yet for me to see. When the dearest love in all the world waits somewhere for me, is somewhere, Alright, I think that's good. At least it's good, yeah. Probably do I Love You Because You're Wonderful. Basically, but I'll probably do that one next. That's all. So then.